Okay, see here, in previous class, okay, in previous class we discussed about what? Parameterization, okay. So parameterization is completed. So parameterization, we can achieve the parameterization. So see this. So I studied previous class, okay. So we will go for previous class. So parameterization was completed. Okay, we can use the data provider. So why are you using the data provider? Okay, it will be creating some data and pass the data into another method. Okay, so it is a data-driven test in the TestNG. So data-driven test is what? Okay, so data-driven test is it is identification purpose. Like we can test the application with multiple sets of the data. Okay, that is the data-driven testing. So now we will go for the another concept. See here. Yesterday, this program is also launched. Okay, now we can see that program. I can launch the browser. Okay, please wait. Eclipse IDE. Launch this browser. Yeah. Launch the Eclipse IDE. Yeah. It's loading. Okay, see, actually, yesterday program is what? DP is one. Okay, data provider. I can launch this application. I can give the data through this mail IDs and passwords individually. Okay, now check this program is working or not. You can see here. Right. The program is open. Necessity.java. Okay. See, I can run this. Run as what? TestNG. Okay. You can click this. Right. So after browser launched and okay, usernames and passwords will be logged in automatically. Please wait. Take some time. See this. So browser launched and after browser launch it will be maximized. Okay. So after maximization, we can email address and password will be automatically entered. Okay. After that, another one. So indices what we can use actually G1, 4 is used yesterday. So that indices will be login. Okay. After login, it passes the three phase. Okay. So why it displays 2 means I can pass the indices what 1, 4. That's why it shows that the two, okay, the two indices will be passed here. Okay. So index 1 contains what? CDE gmail.com is the index 1. And index 4 is what? HIJ. Okay. This is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, 4 means this one. KLM. Okay. These two will be passed here. Okay. KLM and CDE. So both will be passed here. Okay. So now I will go for the another topic, parallel testing using XML file. See this. So these three steps are main here. Okay, these three steps are main here. So first one, we can create one test case. Okay, first in parallel testing. Okay, in parallel testing, we can create first one new, okay, one new test case. So I can execute one test case in three different browsers. Okay, I can execute what is parallel. If your interviewer is ask you, okay, what is that parallel testing? Please explain. So you can say this like this. I can execute one test case in three different browsers. Okay, at a time. So it's simultaneously like. Okay. So first of all, we can create one test case, and after that, convert the test case into XML file. Okay, then we can run that file. So otherwise, after that we can create one browser name and a parameter. I can pass through the parameters testmg.file. Okay, and receive the setup method also. Okay, now we can see this. So first of all, we can create what normal test and execute the parallel one.java, and after that convert into testmg file and execute. Okay, so I can create for one new package here. So wait, the package name is what? I can create one new package. Okay, so package name is parallel pkg. Okay, p a p a r a l l e l parallel pkg. I can create the class name, package name like this. So in that package, okay, in that package, wait, I can create one class. So what is the class name here? Parallel test one is one class. Okay, p a r a l l e l parallel test one. This is my class name. Okay. I can click finish. See this. Okay, in parallel testing, pkg1 test.java. Okay. So now here we can write what simple code. So we can pass the browsers through this XML file. So if, first of all, we can pass the test case. We can create one test case. After that, we can pass the browsers to the XML file and we can change the browser in XML file. Okay. So I can apply all those in XML files. So now I can create one small code. So like WebDriver. See this. Okay. WebDriver. VRI. Okay. And after that we can pass the parameters. So first we can pass what before class. Okay, at the rate of before class we can pass here first before class class. Okay, and in that before class we can give one void setup. Okay, void setup. So I can launch import this file. Okay, I can import this file and next we can create what WebDriver equal to new Chrome driver. Okay, I can use this. I can import this Chrome driver also. Import this Chrome driver. And then what? So driver dot manage dot timeouts dot sorry driver dot manage dot okay timeouts dot implicitly wait. Okay. Next here we can give the duration dot off seconds. Okay. I can give off second 10 seconds I can give you. And then we can launch one browser driver dot get okay driver dot get here type https. Okay, first of all I can launch the browser, so please wait. See this https colon sorry colon double slash and browser name is what open source source open source.com. Okay, open source demo dot orange live dot com slash web index. Okay, web index dot php slash auth slash login login. This is the is working or not. Now we can check this. It is loading slowly. Okay, this is the page here. Orange.html. It contains what? One title is there, and next one logo is there. Okay, so see all this. Now I can copy this one. So actually, I can use orange.html. Okay, I can paste here. Opensource.com demo open source demo dot orangehrmlive.com slash web slash index.php slash r slash login. Okay, I can close with quotations here. So next driver dot what manage dot window dot okay maximize. I can maximize this. Okay. So after the void setup method, we can create what at the rate of test method. Okay. So at the rate of test method, test. Then void test logo. Okay, we can test the logo. See here, I can test the website in with the logo. Okay, I can check this logo. So now I will create code. Okay, I can be import what test man. Okay, test. So see here, we can write what we can find the path here. Okay, see this, we can find the path here. I can right click on this inspect. See, it is what image tag. Okay, so image tag contains what alternate and company board name. Okay, see this, there are two SRC and alternate company. I can copy this one, Control C and Control F. We can find the path here. So double slash al, sorry, image command got the, okay, this is image command, image at the rate of alt equal to single quotes. I can end with what? Single quotes. Is it copied or not? Okay, it is highlighted. So now I can copy this one, Control C. We can find, okay, find the path here. Driver dot, what? Find element. Driver dot find element, by dot, X path here. Okay, we can path here. I can write with double quotes. Okay. So this method will be what? This method will be displayed to me. That's why I can write is displayed method here. Okay. Is displayed returns what? Boolean. So that's why we can write this Boolean. 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 And we can store this path into one variable. So that is variable name is what? Status here. Okay. So next, I can check this. It is a, so I can choose this one image logo. Okay, I can choose this image logo. So I can check the path. See this. My results, my expert results are equal to actual results or not. So that's why we can check this here. We can write what asset dot asset equals to asset equals to asset dot so a asset dot asset equal to I can write what my status will be. Okay, my logo will be displayed in stored into one where status variable. Okay, now I can check with status and here with what orange dot html. So this true. So my log is matched with this. So these are the expected results. Okay, this is the actual results. So expected results are equal to actual results. So the test case will be passed here. So that's why test logo will be executed. Okay. So next we will go for what? Another text. Okay. Another text. So test name is what? Void title. Okay. Test title. So void test title. You can see the title of the method. See this. In program. So this is the title of the method, orange HRM. Okay. So it will be displayed or not. Now we can check the here. It will be the condition will be passed or not. Also we can check this. Now I want to get the driver title. Okay. Title is what? Orange HRM. So wait. This is the title. Okay, I can expand on this. There is no inspect here. So that's why I will go through this one. Orange.hrm. Script to is HTML tag head. No, wait. I can write the path here. Path name is what? Asset. So driver dot get title. So title is orange HRM. So that's why we can store into one variable string. Okay. So title name is what? Title. It is what title. Title driver dot what get title. So I can use get title method here. Okay, driver dot get title. Now my title is matched with this orange HRM. Okay, my title is matched with this orange HRM. This title method will be passed here. Okay, so see this asset dot. Okay, asset dot asset equals. Okay, asset dot asset equals. You can compare it what title. Okay, so that's why title is here. Title 2. So what is the title here? Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. H-R-M. So this is the title or not? Check this. Orange HRM is the title. Okay. So the here the expert results are equal to actual results. Then the test title method will be also passed here. So next after we can write what URL. So now I can check URL also. That's why I can write another test method. Okay. Another test method void what test URL. I can test the URL also. URL. So test URL. Now I can pass here. See this. So what is the URL here? My URL is a string here. Okay. That's why I can copy this URL. Okay. I can copy this URL. Control C. Next. See this string. Okay, this is what URL I can store into one variable. Within a string will be double quotes. Okay, within double quotes it is a string. Okay, within double quotes it is a string. Now I can compare this. Okay, now I can compare this. We can use what asset dot asser asset dot asset equals to. So we can check with what driver dot get current URL. Okay, so that's why driver dot get get current URL with what variable URL. Okay, can compare with URL. So my URL will be stored in this URL will be stored in variable. So variable name is what URL. So that's why get current URL is okay matched with this URL or not. So if both are matched, that test URL method will be passed here. Okay. Next, after that, we can create after class here AFTERCLASS. Okay. In that after class, we can use what void close. Okay. See this, I can import this after class method. So in between this one, what driver dot I can quit from this method. Okay. So that's why quit. See this. This is the parallel test normal code. Okay. I can create my test cases like this. So what is the test case? Before class and at the rate of text. Okay. And at the rate of test. And after that what? Okay. Driver dot quit. Okay. We can quit from the application. Okay. See here. I think it is running. So, actually, why it is running? I can't give the code here. Okay. So failure. It shows why failure. Parallel test logo is failure. Test logo is failure. Why failure? Parallel page test dot logo. So error is where. So I can see that. Okay. I can see this one. So now I will go for and I can create save the file and we can create this one as wait. First I can close this dp dot java. Okay. I can create TestNG. Okay. So next TestNG I am what go to TestNG. I can convert to TestNG. Okay, I can convert to TestNG. So here I can convert what browse file and select our project and expanded project and SRC and next test and next Java. So here my package name is what parallel package. I can select this. Okay, and okay, click OK and finish. Okay, my parallel TestNG file XML will be created or not. See here. In between this class, okay, in between this test and class, we can pass one parallel. Okay, we can pass one parameter. Okay, what is the parameter name? Chrome browser. Okay, so that's why I show slot parameter parameter. So name equal to what? Okay, parameter name equal to browser. browser browser within double quotes only. In between, okay, we can write in between. Wait. Test and class. Okay, test and class, we can write in between this parameter and next name equal to browser and next value equal to which value equal to Chrome. Okay, CHROME small letters. You can write like this. See here. Okay, so now save the file and run it. So run as what? TestNG suite. Okay, it shows passes two values. So here pass the two values and then failure is what? One. Okay, is erased. So I think it is a failure. Wait. So I can complete the total code and then execute this one. Okay, so please wait. So I can write here, I can pass the parameters like okay, web driver at the rate of PARAMETERS parameters. So in that we can pass what browser. Okay. So within double quotes BROWSER. So I can pass the browser here. Okay. I can pass the browser here. And before class void setup is also clear. And next, so it shows what import parameters. Those are vague and the parameters will be imported here. Okay. Why it is show error PARAMETERS. The annotation will be disallowed this location. Why? Why it is disallowed? I don't know. But check the total, okay? Total code. After that, we can check this. So parameters, and after the parameters, browser, and before class, and void step. Okay, I can pass the string here. Okay. So in between setup, we can pass one string. Wait. So string string string. What is the string? BR is the browser. I can pass it here. See here. And next, we can pass one switch up method. Okay. In between this, we can pass one switch up method. Switch SWITCH. Switch BR dot to lower case. Okay. Lower case. See this. So in between, I can remove this one. Okay. See here. I can remove this one. Here we can pass what? Wait, something problem. So check ending end of the code. Okay. So case what CHROME Chrome. Okay. Chrome space colon DRIVER driver equal to new CHROME Chrome DRIVER. Okay. Here we can write what break. Here we can write break. And then same like that edge. Okay. For edge, Control C, Control V, Control V. And for default 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 colon SYSTM system dot out dot PRINTLN system dot out dot println what invalid browser INVALID invalid BROWSER browser. See this, it returns what? Return RETURN return. Okay, it returns something. That's why I can write like this. Duplicate case. So okay, no problem. Case. Okay. Here like lowercase uppercase, and after that driver dot manage, and here we can use what thread dot sleep. See here I can use thread dot THREAD thread dot SLE sleep. So I can give the duration of 5,000 seconds. See this. Okay. And next, it shows any error. There is no error. I mean, this throws exception. That's why it shows error. But here, no error. Save. Here we can save the file. And after that, text run void debug logo, test logo, and status dot find. Okay, and the branding is also displayed here. Image within quotations, X path. IFG ALD equal to company branding. Okay, and these displayed method is also there. So next address as a dot as a equals also true, and test dot debug and also title here get title and as a dot one HRM. You can test again class. So class is also displayed. Now save the file. Now save the file. Actually, the parameters will be displayed wrong. Why it shows wrong? This annotation is allowed for this location. Why? Why this can be disallowed this location? So wait. So public class parallel test one, open the browser and the web driver. See here, anything has error here. And case, what is this duplicate case? Case will be Chrome here, colon driver, new Chrome driver, and this is what Edge driver. So sorry, this duplicates created. So this is what Edge Edge driver, and this is what Firefox driver. So I can write Firefox Firefox driver, and this is also Edge Edge, and this is Firefox Firefox. Says I can import what Edge driver also I can import here, and next Firefox also I can import it here. Okay. Now this is the correct code. And why parameters is wrong like PARA, METERS. Okay. So why it shows error? String I can pass here before class also we can string possible. Br dot lowercase switch br dot lower switches. You can give any space here. So br dot switch lowercase. Next word at the rate of test priority. These all are correct actually code. Only this methods will be shows wrong. Save the file. Chrome Edge and Firefox. I can pass parameters here. See this on testing HTML parameter. Okay, we can pass only parameter here. So I can copy this test code. Okay, this is for text. Control Z. This is for text. This is for Chrome, and this is for Edge. This is for my Edge. Okay, and what is the Chrome? I can change small changes here. So I can give like this is test one, test two. So it's test three. Okay, I can give like this. And next, see this. This is Chrome. This is what Edge. Edge. And this is what Firefox here. Firefox. This is Firefox. Okay. Edge browser and a Firefox browser also there. Parallel test contains also okay. Can save the file. Here also I can save the file. Okay. Next run this shows what run as TestNG suite. Okay. Total runs 9. There is no runs here. Why? Why it shows error? Can pass the string also open source HRMY. Wait, something is error here. So all code also correct here. So it shows only wrong notation. So I can create one new class wait. So I can close the save the testng and I can close it. Okay, I can close this testng. I can create one new class. Okay, new class. So class name is PARAL2. Paral2. Okay, I can like this class name. This is class name. Okay, now finish it. Okay, and here see this. I can open TestNG. So class names are called correct also. So I can change the browser names also. See why it shows error. I can copy the whole code. Right? Can copy total code. Control C. So I can copy from only this onwards. WebDriver onwards, I can copy the file. Okay, I can copy it, Control C and Control V here. It shows error or not, you can check. Okay, Control V. Here, here also parameters. Why it shows error? State. Everything error here. Driver, this is correct. Driver is correct. And case Chrome is also correct. Case Edge, case Firefox. Okay, and colon driver name is also correct. New Edge Firefox browser is also correct. Takes one break. Sorry, here columns are there. Semicolons and give columns now. These errors will be gone. Okay, only one error. That is annotation error. Parameters. Parameters. PARAME. I can remove this one. I can erase those. Control X. See, the dot strip here shows what exception are add through self declaration. So it is added. There is no error in the program. Okay. I can remove this also. So I can hide this. So now I can import this one. Okay. So wait, Control V, params. Choose ask import file. Import parameters.com or annotations. I can import annotations. Okay. That's why error will be gone here. Okay. Now save the file. Okay. Save the file and I can remove what parallel test. Okay. Can remove this one. Delete. Okay. Wait. See this TestNG. I can change the file name. Okay. Control C and open TestNG. And file name is what here? This one. Okay. I can change this parallel test. Control V. Okay. And I can change this also. Parallel PKG. Control V TestNG. I can change this one. Control V. Okay. Now save the file and run as. Okay. You can see this. Run as TestNG. Okay. First Chrome browser launcher or not? Okay, wait. So Chrome browser launch it and it will be quit. After Edge browser will be launched. See this. Edge browser will be launched. Microsoft is controlled by automation tester. Okay. Edge browser also launched. Okay, then it is quit automatically. And after that, next Microsoft Firefox browser. Okay, I can allow this one. So please wait. Yes, I can click yes. See this. So again, I can run. Please wait. Okay, again I can run as. Actually, in the previous my